3 ways that Kichi communicates when he wants something. Screaming is his primary way to express himself. If he doesn't like something or wants attention or he really wants to sleep, you will know, because he will scream from the top of his lungs, and he demands assistance right away. If he is looking directly into your eyes, he probably wants something. He will bring his toy and demand playtime. If your eyes met, you don't have a choice but to play with him now. He will climb your head, literally, because he probably wants to eat or wants attention, or he's just bored and wants to torture you.